Chapter number 3, Les Habits, and today we are going to study about les vêtements, that means clothes. What are clothes called as? Les vêtements. Okay. So first, if I talk about, it is written une chemise. Please listen to the pronunciation. It's une chemise, that is shirt. So here is my shirt, une chemise. What is this called as? Une chemise. Next, what is written? A t-shirt. This is my t-shirt. A t-shirt. Next, a pantalon. That means pants. Here are my pants. Next, des chaussettes. Des chaussettes means socks. These are my socks. A gilet. Des gants means gloves. Here are my gloves. Next is une écharpe, that is scarf. Here is my scarf. A gilet, that is cardigan. This is my cardigan. Une robe, that means dress. This is my dress. Une robe. Une jupe, that is skirt. This is my skirt. A manteau, that means coat. Here is my coat. A manteau. So I hope the clothes are very much clear to you all. Now let us proceed to the vocabulary given below this on page number 38 itself. Okay, first I'm going to read the French words and then the English words. Please listen to the pronunciation. First is avec, means with. D'abord is firstly. Pour, for. A cardigan, cardigan. A gilet, cardigan. A manteau, coat. A pantalon, trousers or pants. A t-shirt is t-shirt. Une chemise is shirt. Une cravat is tie. Une écharpe is scarf. Une jupe skirt. Une robe dress. Des chaussettes socks. Des gants gloves. Le travail work. Les vêtements clothes. Question number 1. Verbs are given to you in the bracket and you need to conjugate them in present tense. These are ER ending verbs and you always know that removing ER, what are the endings with je, tu, il and l, es, e, nous, vous, il and l, ons, ez and ent. So let us come to the A part. L dash Delhi, verb is habite. Removing ER, what we are going to place with L? That is E, habite. She lives in Delhi. Jerome et Suzanne dash la radio. Now these are two boys. One is boy and one is girl, means this is the plural one. So écoute, replacing ER with il and l, what we are going to add? ENT. So what is the answer? Écoutons. Jérôme et Suzanne écoutons la radio. Jérôme and Susan are listening to the radio. Next is nous dash à l'aéroport. arriver. With nous replacing er, we add ons. Nous arrivons à l'aéroport. We arrived at the airport. D part. Je dash ton invitation. Accepté. With je, we just remove er and add e. J'accept. I accept your invitation. E part is Pierre dash say photo. Pierre is ill. With ill, we put replacing er, we put e. Pierre is seeing. He is seeing his photo. Montrer is to see. Vous dash sur le trottoir. Vous marchez. You are walking on footpath. Ria et Pia dash la porte. Ria et Pia are the two girls. They are plural, that means L. Replacing er, we are going to add ent. Fairmont. Now comes question number 2. This is IR ending verb. So here again I'm going to write the endings. Replacing R, only R, we are going to add S, S, T, double S, ONS, double S, EZ, double S, ENT. Okay. Now see. Manuel dash Aguile Brun. Choisir means to choose. So Manuel is a boy. Il, with il we are going to add, replacing R, we are going to add T. Manuel has selected a brown cardigan. Je dash très vite. Grandir verb is there. So with je subject, we are going to remove R and add S. Grandi. Je grandis très vite. I grow very fast. Ronit et Mohit dash leur devoir. Finir. Ronit et Mohit means il. Finir. Finissons. Finissent. Ronit and Mohit have finished their work. Elle dash à l'examen réussir. She passed the exam. Re OCIT. Next, les enfants dash avec les jouets. Again, this is ER ending verb. The students are playing with the ball. So it's jouons. Vous dash a beau service. Garantir. You are giving a good service. With vous, in garantir verb, removing R, we just add double S, EZ. Question number 3 says you need to circle the odd one out. Le gilet, le t-shirt, le pantalon, la jupe. You can see the first 3 are masculine and jupe, that means skirt, that is feminine. So for the A part, we are going to circle la jupe. B part, fini, rompli, grandi, jauni. All the 3 are ending with is, but grandi is ending with it. This is with the subject il and l, and rest are with tu or je. So we will just circle grandi. Next, une robe, un avion, une jupe, un manteau. So these 3 are the clothes and un avion is aeroplane, which is the odd one out. Rest 3 are the clothes. Last, Des gens, une chemise, une cravate, une écharpe. So for this, it will be des gens because rest other are feminine and des gens is plural. In question number 4, they are asking qu'est-ce que c'est means what is this? So pictures are given to you, you need to identify. First is a skirt. So say is written, you will write only jupe. Say jupe. Second, B, ce sont des gens. You will write set une jupe. And here in the B part, you are going to write ce sont des gens. These are gloves. Now the C part, it's a coat. Okay? So coat is called as monton. You'll write set monton. Next, t-shirt, set une t-shirt. Next, ties are drawn. Ce sont des cravates. Set a pantalon. This is a pants. Okay. Now, question number 5. Here you need to put the article indefinite, that is a, un and they. A is used with masculine, un is used with feminine, and they is used with plural. Okay, so accordingly we are going to place the articles. Tu a dash fee. So fee is a girl. You are a girl. For girls, for feminine, we are going to put yun. Next, Mari écoute dash disc. Mari écoute un disc. Disc is CD and CD is feminine. Mari is listening to the CD. C part, ce sont dash écharpe. Ce sont and écharpe is having S, plural के साथ हम DES लगाते हैं. These are the scarves. J'ai un livre bleu. I have a blue book. Book is masculine. Next, E and the last part. Mon frère porte un manteau. My brother is wearing a coat. Manteau is masculine. Un manteau. Now first we are going to do question number 7. See, le is used with masculine. La is used with feminine. L apostrophe is used with vowel and les is used with plural. So accordingly we are going to place article défini. Voilà dash chambre de ma sœur. Chambre is room. Room is feminine. La chambre. This is the room of my sister. Now B part, fille. We are talking about girls. So les filles aiment le chocolat. The girls like the chocolate. Chocolate is masculine. Elle déteste dash lait. Lait is milk, which is masculine. Elle déteste le lait. Next, le soir, je vais au cinéma. This evening we are going to the cinema. So le. Evening is masculine. Again, je regarde la télévision. Television, TV is masculine. So please write it down. Question number 6. Here we have to replace the blank using être, avoir and aller verb. First of all, être means to be. Whenever I have to use is, am and are, there I am going to use être verb. Avoir means to have and aller means to go. To have, to go, and to be. That means for ismr we are going to use this verb. So blanks are given to you. Let us read. Je dash a garçon. I dash a boy. I am a boy. For ismr I am going to use être verb, and in être with je we have to place suis. So my answer is je suis un garçon. Next is Manuel dash au marché. Manuel dash to the market. Manuel go to the market. Manuel means il. Il के साथ आले verb में va आता है. Va va. So this way you are going to read the sentence, understand it and check whether être verb will come, avoir or aller verb will come. Sir dash des pantalons. This dash of pants. These are the pants. So R, for R we are going to again use être verb, and for être in plural it's sont. Sir sont des pantalons. Next D part. Elle dash owns on. For the age we are going to use avoir verb and elle के साथ आ आता है. Next E part is nous dash en France. We dash to the France. We go to the France. With the nous in aller verb it's allons. Next F part. Les amis dash à l'école. The friends are going to the school. Vont à l'école. Next G part. Tu dash indien. You are Indian. Tu es indien. Next, je dash une robe jaune. I have a yellow dress. So I have with je it's ai in avoir verb. Next, Priya dash intelligent. Priya is intelligent. For ismr we are going to use être verb l के साथ est. Last, Mark et Marie ont une voiture. Mark and Marie have a car. So for have with plural we use ont. So whenever this question will come, so first of all you just write these three verbs, write the meaning and then read the sentence and put the verb accordingly. If you have to place is, am and are, use être verb according to the subject. If you have to place has or have, then use avoir verb, and if you have to place to go somewhere, then you are going to use aller verb according to the subject. So this was all about chapter number 3.